Hello and welcome to Hilton Asphalt Paving Tips. Today we will be talking about a proper asphalt job, specifically residential asphalt paving specifications. The minimum requirement for a good asphalt driveway are as follows. Light duty, 12 inches or 300 millimeters of granular base material compacted to 97% Proctor. 2 inches or 50 millimeters of HL3A driveway mix asphalt, laid in one coat. For medium duty, 12 inches or 300 millimeters of granular base material compacted to 97% Proctor. 3 inches or 75 millimeters of HL3A driveway mix asphalt, laid in one coat. For heavy duty, 12 inches or 300 millimeters of granular base material compacted to 97% Proctor. 4 inches or 100 millimeters of HL3A driveway mix asphalt, laid in 2 coats. Please note that the specification can vary dramatically depending on your requirements, loads that you will be applying to the pavement, etc. Understand your requirements and design the pavement to suit them. Thanks for listening, and please check out our other videos at Hilton Asphalt Paving Tips. Here's our contact information. Email info@hiltongroup.ca. Phone number 416-241-1733. Website www.hiltonasphaltpaving.com, and you can follow us on Instagram at Hilton Asphalt Paving.